Hello, dear learners. Welcome back to our Sight Words series. In today's video, we're going to learn another exciting set of sight words. Let's get started. The first word is game. Game. Sentence. The game is fun. Say it with me. Game. Now say it by yourself. Good job. The next word is gave. Gave. Sentence. Dad gave me a toy. Say it with me. Gave. Now say it by yourself. Good job. The next word is gift. Gift. Sentence. I got a gift. Say it with me. Gift. Now say it by yourself. Good job. The next word is girl. Girl. Sentence. The girl can run. Say it with me. Girl. Now say it by yourself. Good job. The next word is give. Give. Sentence. Give me the pen. Say it with me. Give. Now say it by yourself. Good job. The next word is goes. Goes. Sentence. The dog goes to the farm. Say it with me. Goes. Now say it by yourself. Good job. The next word is gone. Gone. Sentence. The dog is gone. Say it with me. Gone. Now say it by yourself. Good job. The next word is good. Good. Sentence. The food is good. Say it with me. Good. Now say it by yourself. Good job. The next word is grow. Grow. Sentence. We grow food. Say it with me. Grow. Now say it by yourself. Good job. Now, let's quickly see all the sight words we learned today. I will show them on the screen and you say them quickly. Ready? Go! Excellent work, children. You read all the words so clearly and confidently. Now don't forget to complete the 2 worksheets I've added for you. They'll help you remember today's sight words even better. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next sight word video. Bye-bye.